Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set screen timer out. So before I start the video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting time, let us start the video. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go to the setting. You have to press the setting, then you have to you see here display. So you have to press this display, then you have to come down. You see here screen timeout, so you have to press this one. You see here 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds and 15 seconds, whatever you like it. So you just what which you prepare it to put it minutes or seconds, or you just put it. So it is done now. So before you leave this video, please don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.